In Adobe Illustrator, we refer our canvas and pages as artboard. So when you create your document, you can set how many artboards you want for this document. And in this case, I have only one artboard over here. So what I can do is I want to add a new artboard. To do that, go to the window menu and bring out the artboards panel. So over here, you can see that there is only one artboard here. So if I want to add multiple artboards, I can press the plus icon here to add new artboard. By left clicking on the specific artboard, you can jump to the particular artboard that you have selected. If you want to rearrange the artboard, you can use the rearrange artboard function here, and you can decide how you want the artboard to be arranged. You can also switch the sequence between the artboard using the up and down arrow key here. Right now, all my artboards are A4 size because that's the document size that I've set earlier. And let's say I want to create just one particular artboard with a different size. To do that, we can use the Artboard tool. The shortcut key is Shift-O. And this way we can manually draw our artboard shape. Just like this, and you can see a new artboard will be created over here. At any time, if you want to move this particular artboard to a specific position, you can click on the Artboard tool to go to Artboard mode, and you just left click and drag this particular artboard to the new position that you want. Or if you want to modify an existing artboard, for example, if I want to change the size of this artboard, I can double click on this icon and I can have all the settings here. And once you change it, just press OK. Or just use the Artboard tool again and modify the existing size just like this.